What is up, RC enthusiasts? Here we are. These guys are at the hill, ready for their battle. Well, not really a battle, just more of a let's see what can do what. You know, they're both cool. SCX24 more for indoor. That one can handle a little bit more outdoor once it's modified properly. But as they both sit right here, we're looking at a fully stocked SCX24 and a WPL C24KM that's fully built the way they want it to be built with their electronics and stuff too. So it should be a pretty good comparison. I know it's apples to oranges because the WPL is bigger. Bigger tires usually means you go more places. Let's go ahead and let's tackle this first part. I'm going to let the SCX do it first because we already know the WPL can do this part. And after it climbs this section, we'll see how it does on the rest. We're just going to keep on moving on to all the technical sections until I get to the hill climb. And up the hill we go. So not a normal trail run today, guys. We're not going to watch these things go all the way up trail on their own. We're just going to see sections of the challenging parts or the more technical parts and see which one does what. So let's go ahead and let's start this. Alright, so over here I usually just go straight up somehow here, whichever way the truck wants to go. Usually like to hug this crevice right here because it makes it easier for grip on the sidewalls. And then I turn right down here, and usually if I'm not weighted or anything, I have trucks roll here. And the SCX24 rolls as well. It's alright. Still a great job by the SCX24 for sure. And now the WPL. See, being wider, I can't make it up the same gap right here. Gotta bump it up a little bit. There you go. Now let's go down the same spot. Will I roll? Of course, KM's got wheel weight, so yeah, there you go. No roll on that one. Here's a little rock section I like doing right here. Nothing extreme, just some side hilling a little bit. Test the rollover again, but not too much. A lot of rocks up there. No problem, SCX24. Now the WPL. Stuck on a rock up there. There you go. Doesn't really look like it, but these things are on a little side hill. Not too crazy. But there are some rocks that can throw it off, so you can tell right there. SCX24 handling it like a dream so far. Modulation is definitely the best out of the small crawlers. 18 and 24 scale, for sure. I can't stop saying that because it's true. Probably the worm gears, you know. Oh, not even showing it anymore. Then we gotta go down here. And that's it for that little trail. Or that little section. Now time for the WPL. I forgot which way I went with the other one. I just did it a second ago and I already forgot. There you go, look at that transmission hung up. Just gotta go the right way. The steering modulation of the SCX24 is better than this one for sure. This one's a little too fast. You know, you gotta be really, really gentle with the steering or it just goes really fast. But as you can tell, wheel weights doesn't affect nothing with this one. Didn't even feel like it was going to roll at all. Well, the SCX24 didn't feel that way either. But I had one scare. Alright, this is the hill climb, guys. So let's see what we can do. And people have been asking me how steep this hill climb is, this little hill climb I do. And it's 25 to 35 degrees depending on which part of the hill you're at, and depending what rock you go on top of, it can go up to 40 degrees. So yeah, it's not the steepest of hills, but it's definitely steep enough to give these guys a run for their money. And look how loose it is. You can tell the SCX24 is already having a problem right here. It's alright, let's bump it up. There you go. Come on, SCX24. The tires are good. We got legit tires on there. Alright. Here's the part of the hill climb you guys probably notice the most because this is the camera angle I normally show it at. See, that section right there is about 35, 36 degrees right here, and loose. There you go. Looks like I'm gonna have to give it more throttle to make it up this stuff. Come on. There you go. And up there it gets about 20 degrees right here. Then back to 25, then flat. There you go, guys. That's the hill climb. SCX24 can do it. That's for sure. Oh, don't stop. I'll roll back down that sucker. Oh! Yeah, cool little guy. This thing handles pretty good. My verdict for this one as of now? Yeah, it could be a trail truck. You know, I mean, it's slow, so you're going to have to be just sitting on trails and take it out on trails, but it can handle this kind of stuff. It's pretty cool. Now WPL up this part. Alright, there's the WPL starting in the same spot. Let's get this thing going. You gotta remember, this thing's got a lot more weight to it than the SCX24, so I might have to really full throttle up here. It's still first gear though, low range. There you go. Come on, you can do it. There you go. And up here it's pretty grippy. And to the top. Alright, WPL did that well too. Definitely a lot heavier, so it shows its weight right there. It's a little piglet. But look at this ESC though that they use in the slow control. I mean, that's just insane. I'm going down a hill right now and it's holding that. Check it out. This is why I like the WPL stuff, man. They're not bad. Check them out if you've never checked them out before. They're probably the best you can get for the price. No joke. And this is a full WPL setup right here. Everything sold on the WPL website to build this exact same thing right here. Oh, and one other thing I want to point out, the WPL system has range too. Look how far I am from that. I'm not sure. You can't tell, but I'm pretty far. Far enough for most systems to lose range if you're talking about those toy grade bashers and stuff you get on Amazon and those $30, $40, $50 bashers. Oh, it hit a little branch and it rolled it. Yeah, so this thing does need some mods because it does flip if it hits anything because it's very light. But I do have some mods for this, some CR18 wheels with wheel weights in them that I'm going to put on here. A little bit bigger diameter, and some links that raise it up a little bit, those angled links, lower links to raise up the clearance, and a little 3D printed roof rack. And those links are 3D printed as well. I'll go ahead and have a video about that also, but for now, let's enjoy this guy in stock form. It's not bad at all. Uh-oh. Right when I say that, I might roll it over. Come on, stay up there. Oh, let me fix this. Yeah, there you go. Oh. At least it landed upright. But yeah, I'm supposed to be trying to go all the way down here, but let's try that with a WPL now. That weight and that slow speed control, man. Look, I could even take this harder line and not roll. This is exactly where the SCX24 rolled right here. Are we gonna roll? Oh, I need to fix it too. Oh, we're gonna roll, boom. As you can tell, that was steep, no joke. Here we go back down this little ledge. A little beast too. Taking this route now. There's a very steep downhill right here. See if we can handle this. Rock face. Oh, three-wheel in. Oh, it did it. And there you go, the last drop right here. Did I get back on the trail? Yeah, safely on the trail. Oh, looks like I got some rocks stuck underneath my body. There you go. And the hard line for the WPL because it made it up there. Oh, almost rolled it. Pay attention to my throttle control. Look at that belly dragger. And the very last part before I get back on the trail. And it's on the trail. Oh, and it's pushing the other truck because I'm not paying attention. Down you go, SCX24, you performed too well. Well, alright guys, there you go. What do you guys think? SCX24 or WPL? Now that you guys seen a more name brand, legit crawler trail truck versus something that was meant to be more toy grade that ended up turning into be hobby grade stuff now because WPL loves their customers. I think they both did an excellent job on the trail and they both have their place on the trail. So guys, there it is. SCX24 and WPL C24 Kit Metal Edition with WPL electronics. Both, in my opinion, good choice if you want any cool trail rigs to mess around with. And if you like tinkering a lot, I can't recommend these WPLs more for you tinkerers and like to full custom your stuff and make it yours. But that can be done with this as well. So choose what you want and have fun with your RC. For now, guys, be safe out there. Always have fun. And go run that RC.